Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a box and whisker plot using Python for a single variable using my stikpetP library. I'm using Jupyter Notebook, and let me clear all my outputs. And I'm running Python version 3.818, I think. A box plot is a bit of a more complex visualization because it requires knowledge about quartiles. It usually shows some outliers if they are available or if they are there. This is then the minimum value excluding outliers, and this is the maximum value excluding outliers, the median, and the first and the third quartile. So each part of this diagram is actually about 25% of all the data. I won't go into too much about if you should be using this, or it's more about how to actually obtain a box plot. To show you this, I'll load in some example data. So therefore I'll be using pandas to load the CSV file of the General Social Survey from 2012 adjusted for example purposes. I don't need all the data, I just need actually one numeric field. So I've chosen the age field, which had a lot of numbers, but actually there's also an 89 or older in there. So I'll use replace to and replace it with 90. Don't know why I chose 90. Could have done 89, but I just need some example with a lot of numbers. So I'll store those under scale field, remove the missing values, and make sure everything is numeric. Then the second example is from student statistics, which had some survey results from student answers on a survey, and there was also an age, and that one only had numbers in there. So my library is not available directly with pip install. You should do pip install, but then a full link to my website, to my GitHub, and then you can import it just as any other library. It's basically a small wrapper around the pyplot version, and it takes as input simply the data and the name of the variable. We can simply fill out the data and the name, and you simply get the box plot. The reason why I chose also to use a second example is the second one actually has some outliers. So apparently one of my students think he or she or whatever is 120, so I probably need to adjust that. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.